Hello, hello. How is it going? Good morning. Good morning indeed. Bitcoin still at 18.7, Ethereum holding 1500, BNB 260, right? No real pumps, no real dumps since yesterday. The initial dump was yesterday where Bitcoin went below that 19K, and we've been holding below that 19K. Red Sox, Lunar Dingo. Oh, the OG Lunar Dingo. What's going on? Long time no see, buddy. How are you? Love it. I love it. So it's quite interesting. Red Sox, you are number one today. Welcome. I have no idea what is causing um the pullback from crypto right now. There's nothing that came out that scares me. There's nothing that came out that was unexpected. It literally makes no sense. Some people trying to blame the ETH merge as one of the reasons, right? Everywhere, everyone. Oh, the ETH merge. Oh, it's a pump and dump. We pumped up right before the merge, and now we're 7 days out, so it's not going to pump anymore. And that's like, that's not how it works. I'm good thanks to surviving the bear market. We all are, buddy. The bear market is one of the toughest markets to survive. And really, I think what's key is the people that are in, we are really not pushing this chart up that much. The people that are in, the volume that's coming in, the sells that are coming in don't make any sense. Right? I don't think it's a single investor dumping on us. I just feel like it is something that is just unfortunate, right? We must have hit some theoretical level in investors' eyes, and once we've hit that level, they just started dumping on us because what's evident is there is a lot of red. There is a lot of red. What's evident is the price of Bitcoin does kind of help predict what's going to happen in the altcoin market, right? But Bitcoin, since when was the last time? Since June 17th, this is the lowest it's been, right? June 17th was where we hit that 17K. We are now at those levels from June 17th. So if you had a good entry point in June 17th, you're feeling very good about the price you got into Bitcoin. Congratulations. At the same time, there are many analysts calling this to fall lower. So I do have that marked here. We are still in this gray territory. I know a lot of you are going to say, oh, no, Teddy, you can't call this a gray territory. There's support, obviously, at 18,000. Not really. Not really. In my eyes, it was like once or twice we've been at 18,000. We moved up so quickly, it's hard to find good levels of support and resistance around this mark, you know? Double bottom, send it, please. Yo, double bottom, let's go. Let's go. That'd be crazy if it was a double bottom. So what? Let's see. So a double bottom, we would have to hit 1754 again, right, to really get that. Okay, here's two bottoms look. But even if you don't look at it and you just look at these 2 days, some people will stretch as far and go, oh, this is the double bottom. It's going to take off now. But it'll all depend. It'll all depend on what happens in these next few days in this area. We need to leave this area as fast as we can. And I don't know if that means we go up and stay above 20,000, which is ideal, or we're going to continue to come down, hit that 1754 support. And that's when we're in this territory of 15,907. Because immediately after this, my next support lines come at 1754, 15,907, and 13,900, right? So right around that 1,400 mark. Very, very scary. Yes, it can happen. Yes, this is real. You're not dreaming. Actually, I can move this slightly up right about there, 14,096. Because I think that does line up here as well. I guess not. It's just slightly above this one to 12th January 2018. But 1,400, fairly decent level where we've seen resistance there before. So what was resistance before, hopefully support now, which is always the end goal. Let me just quickly look at my moving averages. Oh, I accidentally moved my indicator. There we go. Bring this back up. I'm just gonna go right up to that 14, right about there, 13,978. That's as close to it as we can go. Oh yeah, the actual bottom 383. Oh wait, it actually went even below this. We could go all the way here. 563. Let's go. Right about there. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I'm happy with this. These are my levels. These are the places where I've been monitoring. We've been so good for so long. What happened? We're so good. 1930, 1950 was where I originally thought it would consolidate at this level. Did not expect this quick crash to happen. So I'm really hoping it pumps back up and stays in that 1900 level, which is most ideal for us. Look at how often we've hit this, right? So quite intrigued. But anyway, one of the main things I want to talk about today is I fell asleep. I woke up to this clickbaity article. Crypto investors hold their breath. 200 billion at risk in Ethereum merge. 200 billion at risk. So, crypto investors across the world. You can go through the entire article. It's very short. But what it ends up being is they are indicating to us that the merge may have an issue here and there with the proof of stake, and the 200 billion effectively is gone, right? Let me see if I can find it. So if something goes wrong, we have to halt the industry. It'll be quite troublesome for the industry to survive this period. So if something goes wrong in this merge, which keep in mind, they've been testing this merge for years, right? We need to go to staking. We need to go to proof of stake. ETH has been testing on test nets, right? No matter how much you test on testnet, still you go into production, you can't figure out what's actually going to happen. But this is interesting because these articles are now going to come out trying to shake you into selling your ETH. And keep in mind, what remains to be true is the amount of ETH reward staking is producing is far less, almost 80% less than proof of work. So if proof of work was giving you 100 Ethereum a day, now you're getting 20 Ethereum a day, right? It is far less, right? Proof of work, very good. People were getting ETH in their pockets. But with ETH 2.0, with proof of stake, you're not getting ETH in your pockets. If you stake, you get a little bit of ETH, right? And that number is cut down. That minting number every day where X amount of Ethereum is minted, that's cut down so much. And that, I think, is what's going to help Ethereum potentially be the dominant one in the future if it overtakes Bitcoin. We've talked about why I don't believe that's going to happen anytime in the near future, but also at the same time why people are saying it's going to happen and the levels that they're reaching out for, right? So their thing is, most of these guys that want Ethereum to be the dominant one, right? To have market dominance, is they would need Bitcoin to come down to almost 14,000, maybe 13,000, and ETH to go up maybe 2,400, right? These are levels that are achievable. If that happens, they do believe at that time you would have a potential flippening of dominance where ETH could become dominant and Bitcoin would fall down to 2. Do I believe that's going to happen? I think Bitcoin receives a lot of FUD, but it does survive the FUD it receives. So, not too worried about it. Definitely not a fan of these clickbaity articles. Obviously, the Ethereum team and company has tested this on testnet. I don't think they're going to have any issues doing the merge. They've been trying this for so many times. So many people had to validate it and check it, right? So we'll see what happens here. But I definitely want to tell you guys, do not fall for this. There is nothing that is being held. 200 billion. Your money is safe, right? It's all part of the merge. Don't just blindly believe these clickbaity articles. They're all trying to shake you so they can get in at a better price and you look foolish selling. Let me see here. Did look at sentiment right before where the first few were bearish, right? No one cares about the merge anymore. It was priced in months ago. What is happening is whales and scammers are trying to get you to FOMO in so they can dump hard on merge day. You are all going to get so wrecked. But like Bitcoin Moon Boys, no one listens because they're too greedy and need to make that quick buck. Then suddenly it dumps and people stagger around confused. This is scary, guys. This is scary. This is what I believe could be true as well. Oh, I didn't even have the article up there. Sorry, guys. So right here, I read this statement from Rice V05, where he's saying that people have already accounted for uh, the the price fluctuation. So when ETH 2.0 comes out, right? Buy the news, sell the rumor, buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So when that news comes out, that's when we'll know. You know, that's literally what it comes down to. That's literally what it comes down to. Wait, what's happening? MMAI. Oh yeah, it's there. MetaMonkey AI. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, oh, okay, yeah. There's the I. It must be my. How we doing? 417. Okay, still holding strong. Remember, there's a lot of liquidity there. It's going to be quite hard to shake that chart up. You know, we'll see. Is this a good project? Oh wow, there's actually people. I'm adding flag on this. Didn't win my heart. MMA will go to moon. Feeling good about this project. Is this a good project? We made it now. LFG. We allergic to stop. Mic check. Mic check. Thank you, MMA team and Dawson, for giving us this genuinely creative project. Good luck, guys. Yeah, rank 3105. Yeah, it's there. Congratulations to you guys. Has not verified project's market cap, however, self-reported. Yeah. Dude, where was that I saw that Dex tools? Happy. Was it Dex tools? Dex tools. No. Dex tools is so slow these days. It's killing me. It's killing me on the inside. Nice. That was a fast listing. If you got the money, they'll do it. They'll put in anything. Coin market cap real good. 4217. So we're at 4152. We did dip below and come back from that dip. So we are up. In theories, where was this? So there's this new thing now. They got token sniffer. And there's also another one they got, but they've started linking them up on Scanon. So that's been pretty good where you can just click on it and goes right. Token sniffer, are you down right now? We broke token sniffer. I promise you, this was working the other day where you could just click on these and it just goes right to it. See? Like it worked for this one. So that's been good. So I definitely want to count this in. The Dex tool score is in 85 out of 99. Very good, reliable project, right? So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about MMAI. I have taken my initial out and I'm riding with profits. So I did. You guys know me when it comes to pre-sales. If you don't follow the channel, you know the strategy for pre-sales. Every pre-sale, immediately, first 15 minutes. If I'm not out, I'm not making money. Show me a pre-sale where after the first 15 minutes, it's received. More investors come in that keeps that price steady. I haven't seen it yet. So I'm still using that same strategy. If I get into a pre-sale, I try to get out within the first 15 minutes on that first one or two green candles, right? So very evident, guys. I did not expect a 2x here. I knew because of that high liquidity, high market cap, it's very hard to shake that chart. You need to get basically another 1,000 ETH pouring in order to drive this price up. So I knew there were whales in there. I knew there were people that are not going to sell, right, because of that 18%. So as long as we got more than 18%, I was happy with that. Teddy, I want to buy more crow. Should I wait just a little bit? I probably would, because if ETH is gonna dump, right? So no matter what, we are gonna get shaken this week with ETH. ETH 2.0, people are gonna rile you up for the rest of the week. They're gonna say all these things about ETH, how it's not gonna happen, how it could fail, how it could be successful. In the end, do your own research. What remains to be true is the amount of reward ETH is getting is being cut down dramatically. As soon as you make that token scarce, it is going to be very hard. It is going to be very hard, right, to say that price is going to go down. If the token is more scarce, is rarer to get now than before, why wouldn't the price go up? Now, what remains skeptical, I guess, where I remain skeptical is, has the current market accounted for, are these whales really dumping on us, right? Are these whales that have accounted for ETH and Bitcoin, now that the merge date, we're within that 7 days, right? Are they gonna dump on us? It very well could be. There's a lot of people that do buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. So now they have accumulated ETH. It's gone up. They bought it in at 1,200, whatever, or 1,000, and now it's at 1,500. They could dump on us. They could dump on us, right? And then ETH 2.0 comes out, and we may not see that pump till ETH 2.0 comes out, because right now people may be like, hey, let's wait. I want to see what happens with ETH 2.0. And you know what's going to happen? Let's say ETH 2.0 dumps. You're going to have the crazy influencers like, I told you guys the entire time ETH was going to dump. ETH 2.0 was never going to work. And then let's say it doesn't, right? You're going to have the influencers again. We knew it all the time. We are the ones making money. I told you guys to buy ETH before ETH 2.0. There's going to be two sides of this, right? There's going to be the influencers that say, I told you so. There's going to be the influencers that said, yeah, we already knew this was coming type thing, right? So it depends. It depends. When you look at Ethereum, right, and you are doing an educated guess, my first thing is, do you believe in the level that it's at right now? Is 1,500 a good entry point? In my opinion, 1,500 is a decent entry point. 1,400, decent entry point, right? Anything under 1,600, because if we are marching towards that $2,000, $3,000, right? We're trying to get the Bitcoin dominance. We're trying to get all these Ethereum maxis to buy more ETH. There's only one way you're doing that. You got to get ETH really cheap in order to buy it. I don't think random Ethereum maxis are trying to buy them at 1,500, right? They want that price to drop, right? They want to shake you out. They want to get the paper hands out, so they get it at that cheaper price. And if that means they have to dump their bag now and then wait for the price to come in cheaper, they will do that, guys. These guys are crafty. Let me see here. Why ETH won't go down after the merge, right? So very interesting thing. I promise you, I don't read these things before I show them to you. A big portion of staked ETH is from large validators who are in for the yield, not price gains, right? Yield means they accumulate ETH. 1 second here. ETH staking rewards should double to about 8% APY, which is very attractive. Migration from POW to POS will eliminate miners, and therefore payments to miners will be replaced by smaller block rewards to staking validators. Literally. Crypto Vern. What's going on, man? How are you? Nice to see you. You're up early today. Most invested at much higher ETH price levels, so are underwater and would be selling at a loss. This is another thing that remains to be true, guys. Like, these are the things that I'm looking for, right? About 33% of staked ETH is through liquid staking platforms like Lido, which are already tradable. So you got to step back. What makes sense to buy right now? Would I buy more Bitcoin, or am I buying more ETH? And if I was going to take a fairly smart gamble, I think I would buy Ethereum, wait till the merge, and then depending on how much it's pumped from my initial that I bought in. So if I bought in at 1500, if it goes to 16, I may sell at 16 and then go buy ETH 2.0 because the price of ETH 2.0 is not going to change, right? What's changing is the way we're validating the blocks. What remains true is the token itself. Just because you're changing the way you validate a transaction, it's not going to affect the price, right? What's affecting this merge is the amount of power consumption they're reducing, right? Before they had lots of power that they were using. Yes, Bitcoin used the most power. Ethereum was definitely a strong second, using a lot of power to validate on its network. So now they go to proof of stake. The power issue is gone. That's the main thing Vitalik wanted to address. Hey, there's a lot of power consumption happening for proof of work. How do you reduce this? Proof of stake comes out, we migrate to proof of stake. So now they've done it, right? Or they will do it in 8 days, 7 days. After they do that, after the power is addressed, the power has nothing to do with the investors. Investors aren't buying more Ethereum because Vitalik switched to proof of stake. Investors aren't selling Ethereum because Vitalik is going to switch to proof of stake. Investors aren't buying Ethereum because Vitalik is switched to proof of stake. So what is the advantage proof of stake gives us? It is completely back-end advantages. There is nothing that you are getting other than a reduction in the amount of Ethereum that is given to us daily. Nice. Yeah, dude, you gotta buy Crow. Good morning. It's all a racket. It all is. I actually was at Crypto Bubbles, HNT, Lunacy. Can we stop the Lunacy? I'm so done with Lunacy. How long are we gonna pump this? There's literally nothing left. People, wake up. What are we waiting for now? What is the thing that's driving Lunacy to stay green? Almost everything else is red on Crypto Bubble. Solana, I was looking for that entry point around 32. It dropped even more than yesterday. So this is the reason I didn't buy anything yesterday, because I was still very uncertain. I wasn't sure what was causing this market dump. I do want to point out Hex as well. We were looking at Hex at 4 or 5 cents. It is now 3 cents. So we know that I was trying to get into Hex around 2 cents. So if that 2 cents is achievable, I'll be definitely looking into getting into that as well. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic also fell down a lot. So if you did not take profits yesterday, when I told you guys, I woke up, I said, hey, $41. If you bought, when we talked about it last week, where the miners are going to go, then you should have taken profit yesterday. This is one of the reasons. You never know in crypto. What appears to be good support yesterday is no support. Like, we completely came back down. We've retraced. So look for these things. Teddy, when WagMe game launch? It takes too long. I have no idea what the WagMe game launch, man. There's so many things I feel like clueless about, and it's just, at this point, I hold their NFTs. As soon as that NFT marketplace reward comes in and they split it with all of us, that's when it'll be useful. Because other than that, I have nothing from WagMe right now. I don't even know how their chart's doing. WagMe. 5,000 holders. Yeah, they got a very high market cap too. What the heck? Who dumped on them, bro? Don't dump on me. Actually, the RSI is very low right now. Let's see. Did this actually work out before? Yeah, it did. Let me see. What I'm doing is I'm looking at the RSI, seeing when it's below my indicator, and when it comes back up, is it a good indicator of taking profits? And sometimes it does line up very nicely. Like here, entry point, and then here, exit point. So yeah, that works out pretty well. If I can measure that, that's like 10%. So our size right at 10%. Not bad for 90-day old. It stayed above here, so all this was considered. Oh no, it doesn't work here. See, we just came down here, but the entire market crashed then. Yeah, so WagMe definitely needs something here. Needs something. When Shibnobi Gaming? When Shibnobi Gaming? I don't know if they've released the dates yet. If they have, you have to check in the AMA. But it's not Shibnobi Gaming, it's Shibnobi Play now. It's been rebranded as Shibnobi Play, a wagering platform where you can play any game, wager with someone else, do a tournament, go play your game, come back and take the reward, right? Very excited for Kishimoto V2 next week, and then beta on Play to Earn. Need a good game in this market. I know. We so need a good game, dude. I need something else to play. I can only play Slate to Earn for so long, you know? Remember this? Remember us playing Slate to Earn? This is still a thing. It still exists. I'm still bad at it. One day, one day. Let me see if I can get in here. Play. Dude, I'm still here. This is the only game I know so far. So if we find more, that'll be good. I need more games. I need more games. Oh yeah, kill them all. Kill them all. I need more games. Oh my god. Yeah, so Slate to Earn, I definitely would use any dude. And WagMe was one where it's like they were super crazy about who got into the beta and only certain influencers could show the beta, others couldn't. After all that happened, yeah, I need more. I need more. This is not enough. Um, so hopefully, once this thing does come out, roll out, and we know they got that GameStop thing. They are listed on GameStop. So it'll just come down to the pumps now. DTA, Director of Talent Acquisition. Oh, what happened to their site just now? What the heck? Saeed Alam. It looks like they added more people. I don't think I've seen those guys before. Khaled Salam, Chris Burkett. This guy I've seen. Oh, he looks skinnier here. I don't know. Cubics partnership. Launch targeted for July 2022. Open public launch targeted. Beta is open. Public launch target. I don't even think they've had the public launch, right? We're still in beta? That was July. This is now September. Yeah, this is still beta. So they did target it to release in July. So I don't know. I understand. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You remember the Shiba game? Oh yeah, dude. How is that Shiba game? Is that still a thing? Shiba looks like all devs losing weight lately, except me, man. I'm gaining all the weight they're losing. Yeah, I don't want another spacebar game, dude. Exactly. I want. Give me the controller. Let me hook up my Xbox or my PS4 controller. Let me actually try the thing. I'm so done with the spacebar man. I got you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can keyboard smash all day. I was keyboard smashing well before these games existed. Give me the controller. Let's do this right. Right trigger, right bumper, right bumper. Come on, come on, come on. Oh man, I get crazy, and I'm a big in that. What do they call it? The first person shooters and stuff? I love those types of games. I think is this one. Because oh yeah, they still have a good deck score, so this game probably still exists. No, no. Oh, my stomach making noises. Hungry, hungry hippo. Shiba Adventures, dude. Where did we even play that game? Shiba Adventure. Shiba Eat Twitter. Right, we had a game. Shiba Inu IO. Play. Oh, this one's in beta too. Oh God, I think it's broken. I think it's broken. Yeah, arrow left, arrow right. When VR play to earn, because that is who wins, dude. The first person to do VR play to earn is gonna do great, and really, there's good contenders. I know Shibnobi's doing the metaverse. I know PLNT Max is doing the metaverse. Who else is doing the metaverse? Kishimoto has a metaverse. There's so many. There's so many now. Hey, actually, this still works. What the hell? Should I connect wallet? Is it safe? Are you safe? Oh my god, I got to level 8. No, this was my godson when he played. Oh, it still kept everything. Yeah, this. I'm like, what's the difference between this and Mario, bro? What is the difference? Tell me this. Actually, I think we earned good money on this, actually, to be honest. Oh god, I'm really bad at all the games, all right? I'm not good. I'm not good. I can't even get past level 1. Wait, one of these is like, what does he have? Is there a tab? Tab? Shift? One of these I thought fires something. Is it F? Yep. I will never know what the fire. Oh, I just did it. What was that? I just pressed J. Okay. I had no more J's. I had no more J's. J is shoot. Okay, K is attack. Okay, wait. What does K do? You can attack them. Was this always there? Get out of here! Oh no! Stay alive. We're gonna attack. Oh, the crab could not take the attack. All right. We're done. We're done. No fun, Teddy. You can't have fun. This is crypto. Sheba's back. Time. Wait, so are they really back? Did they really like chart? Show me the chat. Show me the chat. Who's still in this, bro? Oh man. Oh man. Oh no. Oh no. Dude, the market cap is 4,000 now. What happened? Crypto Doom or Quake would be nice. Dude, Crypto Doom? Oh, yeah, that'd be sick. Just going around, develop a controller games for Shibnobi. It already exists in Shibnobi Play. You can play your controller games, come back to the platform, and claim your rewards and stuff once you win your tournaments and things. The Shibnobi game is a whole different way of looking at it. What people are doing in the gaming world is they keep making these games and they try to make them for console. They try to make them for VR, desktop, mobile, whatever, right? But the problem they're having is they're a whole new game developer, a whole new game studio coming into a market that's already saturated by other game development companies. You're not going to be able to compete with other game development companies unless you have the funds like Wagme had, right? Where they can just go out, they can get these partnerships, continue to grow. What's important with Shibnobi Play is we're going to let you play whatever games you want, play them in whatever platform you want. But when it comes time to claim your reward, you got to come back to the platform and claim your reward. There is no point in us forcing you to play on a desktop. There's no point in us forcing you to play on a mobile. Play on whatever device you want. Then come back, do the wagering, do whatever you need to do. That's the important thing. Yeah, it disappears rug pull. It really does, but it still has liquidity, about 4,000 in there. But if I saw this, I would. And this is August 13th. This is rug pull. It hasn't traded since then. No, so unless they moved from here, they took 10 ETH and they stopped trading. It looks like. Yep, honeypot. See, comes up as honeypot. So they made a game. They spent the money to make the game, but now what's the point if the token has rug pulled? Mario doesn't pay. What up, Teddy? John Crispallo, Shaman says, what's going on, guys? Is that a rug pull? It appears so, man. Oh, I didn't know. I have to check it out. Yeah. Getting wrecked. Dude, how is Shirio Inu continuing to pump daily? What is happening with it? What does Shirio Inu know that I don't know? I could have gotten in on that. It's all that Riley Reid content, man. They got all that money, the marketing money. I did go over to Dubai and met the Shirio Inu guys. Give me the trading card game. Remember? To this day, I have their trading cards. I am the OG Founders Pack, the Shirio collection with 2 misprinted cards. Oh, there is a Shiba V2. They merged with somebody last I heard. Okay. Well, it should be on the website, right? And it should pop up. Like, they haven't updated their website then. And August 10th, when was the last time that they've told us something? August 31st. Shiba verse. Sheeb the dip. What the hell? Ba. They're counting down. What's this? Probably nothing. There's nothing there for us to even buy. What are you guys talking about? Shiba Adventures and Friends coming soon to a mobile device in your pocket, the cutest play to earn game. See, this feels so fake now that they've rugged, right? Unless there really is a Shiba V2 that I don't know about. Sheeb. 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 What happened? Wait, I gotta go. It's already 8:30. I got meetings. All right, guys, I gotta go. We will catch up again tonight, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. I'm back every morning, 7:50 a.m. Eastern. Come hang out. The goons have fun. We look at charts. Very relaxed morning. You get to wake up fresh and informed. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Smash that like. It helps the channel. And I'll see you tonight, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Goodbye. Stay safe. Don't be a hero.